Hello everyone! Welcome to the Little Miniature channel. Today I am going to draw and color beautiful house step by step. Let's start drawing. First I'll draw a long line. Now I'll draw the roof of the house. I'm drawing some beautiful lines. Drawing a chimney. I will draw a line from the rice and to the left and match it. The roof of the house de Jean. I'm drawing a door. Now I'm drawing a window beautifully. A single staircase. Great! Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Dark green color on the bike roof. The rest of the roof of the house is dark blue. Now, I'm giving it to you, the children's favorite color, red. Similarly, I will paint the walls of the bowl red, like this wow. I'm giving the sky blue color to the window. I am painting the door yellow color. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next video!